10 signs a woman is sexually attracted to you. Girls are sometimes mysterious. You may spend an entire hour talking to her without knowing that all she was thinking about was why you are not making a move to kiss her. She may be giving you hints, but you are clueless. The best way to find out what your girl wants is to pay attention to her body language. You should know how to read the body language because girls usually communicate non-verbally that she is interested in you. She will give you a lot of signs that she likes you and is sexually attracted to you. You need to pick up on these signs and hints and take it to the next level. Here are 10 proven signs that she is sexually attracted to you. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. Don't miss anything in future videos. Now let's begin. Number 1. She continually glances at your lips. Forget that the eyes are the window to the soul. When you are on a date, the eyes are the window of desire. Her eyes reveal her cards. She looks at your lips not because she looks lazy, but instead she looks at them because she cannot stop kissing. Our eyes are drawn to anything that interests us the most. Whether the object of our desire is the phone, the television, the woman with a murderous smile, or the lips of your boyfriend. If you hold her holding you on your lips, it is a very strong sign that a woman is sexually attracted to you. On a date, her eyes will basically turn to yours. Do not jump the gun. Take this as a sign of sexual interest. This is simply respectable. However, if those eyes move to the right of your lips, chest, arms, or back, her dignified gaze became more sexual. Number 2. She can't subconsciously stop touching you. Sitting next to you is one thing, but breaking the invisible barrier by starting the touch is a clear indication that she is in you and is often sexually attracted to you. The point is, she may not know she's doing it. Sometimes her subconscious will come to the surface in the form of a desire to touch you, a touch of the hand, a touch of the leg, a playful push. Everything we do on a date does not count. It allows her to control her subconscious desires to the extent that she feels more comfortable with you. Do not be bound to immediately respond to her physical contact. Protecting your love allows sexual stress to increase. Reacting too lovingly can push her out of the subconscious rhythm. Subconscious touch often manifests itself in the form of a touch as soon as a joke is made. Keep your hands out of touch as she has an easy target to touch. If you are sitting across the table from each other, hang them in front of her while you make your jokes. If she touches them after a joke, it is a fairly clear sign that a woman is sexually attracted to you. Number 3. She wears a sexy fragrance. Be careful with this. In general, women wear perfume. This is not because they are always striving for a male chef, but even more so because they like it to smell good. We need to think about your previous dates to see if this is a sign. Do you remember she wore a sharp perfume on your first or second date? If she becomes a doll now after getting to know you better, it means that she is working hard to win your attraction. Remember that context is always important. Let's just say the first 2 days were by no means romantic. Ask your average girl, and she will tell you that you do not need to apply a sharp scent for the first 2 days. On the 3rd day, a ritzy Italian restaurant, however, guarantees such an application. Whatever the context, she still tries to grab your attention. Number 4. She initiates contact with you. Women who are sexually attracted to you, whether single or married, try to get close to you to express their feelings. They will always try to touch you when they are having a conversation or trying to sit, walk, or stand close to you. They give you a lot of excuses to touch, but do not come to any conclusions. Observe them first. If you see a woman touching you, try to constantly monitor her body language, and if you find a pattern over and over again, take action by redesigning her touch. If she does not object, she may be genuinely interested in you. A girl has no reason to spend time alone with a boy who does not suit her. No way. If she likes you, she will want to spend every hour of the day with you. So if she wants to hang out with you, especially if she hints at a date-like plan, it is clear that she is interested in you. If you like her, do not miss the opportunity. 5. She flirts with body language. Part 1. She plays with her hair. This is a bit unsettling as well as a ploy to highlight her feminine features. It is normal to have her hair styled from time to time. But if you keep seeing her playing with her hair while she talks to you, she will most likely try to seduce you. A woman's hair is usually something that symbolizes their femininity, and many women pay more attention to it as part of their sexual attraction. If she intends to appeal to you sexually, she will surely be a weapon to seduce it. Part 2. She smiles a lot. I do not want to link to an article on human evolution to show the importance of laughter. Laughter is a universal exercise that always makes people happy. The better we spend our time, the bigger our smile will be. Just because she exercises her cheek muscles does not mean she's active. One of the nonverbal cues mentioned above is that having your day sign should not be taken as a step towards engaging in more romantic feelings. You should only intensify sexual tension after she has presented various signals. Warm things up only after you are sure you are remodeling. She may reverse heating things before she warms up and may burn you. Part 3. Her voice soft. When men are around the people they are attracted to, their instinct is to make themselves feel more masculine, and therefore they tend to lower the tone of their voice. With women, the opposite is true. When a girl likes you, she will be more feminine when she deals with you. Her voice will sound low and soft, as if she is melting, as if she were in a bedroom with you. If you begin to notice that the tone of her voice increases as you interact with the two, you can be sure that she is sexually attracted to you. Part 4. She bites or licks her lips. Biting or licking her lips can be a clear seduction tactic. This also applies to women who are shy and less clear in expressing their romantic feelings. Biting and licking the lips is also a voluntary response to something sexually attractive. Touching her neck, mouth, and lips is also a big sign. You have a good chance of finding out that someone is touching her in places where she wants to be touched, as well as a way to wake you up. If you like her, if she licks her lips, how can you not wake up? Part 5. Eye contact. Just because she's looking at you, it does not automatically mean that she is interested. The look can easily be misinterpreted. But if a woman is interested in sex, a good way to tell is how she looks at you. If she has an affair, she will make sure to maintain eye contact for a long time. This means that she will have to wait a little longer than usual, and she may also feel embarrassed, thereby avoiding contact with her eyes almost completely. No matter what kind of woman you deal with, if she is sexually attracted to you, this is a great sign. Part 6. She laughs at your jokes. You may not be a comedian, but she considers anything you say ridiculous. One of the best ways and means to know if a woman is sexually attracted to you is to focus on whether she laughs at your jokes. Women love a man who makes them laugh. But your jokes are often not jokes. Why is she smiling? Because she likes you, that's why. If she smiles, she enjoys your company. Part 7. She blushes. Blushing is a voluntary reaction to an increase in blood pressure. If she is excited to be around and deal with you, she will most likely be red. If you see that she tends to be very red around you, this is a great sign. Number 6. Watch her subtle hints. The signs that a woman is sexually attracted to you are not obvious. Why are they like that? Not every mark is meant to be read. If she is unsure of how you feel about her, she will not jump you into the bathroom and try to tear her clothes. She will give you the size markings on the loaves of bread to avoid rejection. The day can be difficult if trying to kiss you or revealing her feelings to ask you to return to her place does not recreate those desires. Keep your eyes peeled and watch out for signs of subtlety. It's okay to go beyond subtle, non-verbal gestures to let some girls tell you that you are sexually attractive. For example, she may tell you directly that she likes your body shape, ask if she can come to your place, or ask you to come to her place at night. While this is not normal, there are still girls who will tell you directly that they want you to have sex, and they will not bother to tell you. Number 7. She'll try to make you notice her. Usually, when a girl likes you, she aims to get your attention on everything she does next. Why? Well, most women do not say in words that you are attractive. Instead, they will tell you through your body language that you want to see them. They will deliberately try to get a good look around you. However, if a girl is sexually attracted to you, she will take this one step further. For example, instead of her looking good around you, you can deliberately wear clothes that emphasize her body shape to sexually arouse you. When she wants you to see her, she can stand up for an event, work for you, and wallet. Look at her looks and wait for you to say something. Number 8. She finds a reason to talk with you. The woman can show her interest in you by introducing you and trying to start a conversation with you. Women who are attracted to you can find different reasons to start a conversation with you whenever possible. She usually starts a conversation by praising you or trying to seduce you on several occasions, even if she is married to someone else. This is a sure sign that she is interested in spending time with you. Number 9. She compliments you. Even if it's just small things. A woman who goes out to compliment her sexual needs and seems to be attracted to them is often attracted to them. Whenever she praises you, she expresses her attraction and also creates an opportunity to see how you respond. Do you praise her again? Do you reject praise? Do you take the opportunity and flirt with her? The way you respond will tell her whether she should push it further or not. Number 10. She wants to sit next to you. Does she stand a little closer to you, even when you are not in a crowded space? Does she always lean towards you when you are sitting next to each other? She takes your physical space and wants to be close to her. This is a deliberate choice, and she knows what signal she is sending. After all, a woman who wants to maintain a professional distance literally goes with a physical distance. Sharing your bubble means that she is attracted because she literally wants to be close to you. It is a very physical proposition, one that any man worth his salt should at least get. To be honest, you don't need anything more than this signal.